So we're going to try an experiment, and I've seen this on YouTube, but I want to try it for myself on a couple of pieces of plastic I've got here. This is off an old 82 XJ bike, and this one you can see is a little shinier than this one. This is as it was on the bike. This one I did take a little time and try polishing it with toothpaste and a rag. Use the old white toothpaste and just rub it smoothly, and you can see the difference with that one. This one's a little more shiny than that one, but it's still kind of grayish. So I'm gonna see, so there's my control, and I'm gonna see what happens if I run a heat gun over this and see if it happens to make it a little bit shinier. So let's see, I've got this going. Yeah. Get that heated up. Oh, okay, first lesson, don't touch it. Where's this one? Alright, so it's pretty hot. Now, once it cools down, I can see that I've lost any shine, but it is cleaner. I don't know. Maybe you guys have to come up with your own decision on that. Not terrible. So, mistake I made is don't touch it until this thing is done cooling down. That was dumb on my part. Once that's cool, I'm gonna maybe try polishing it again with some of the toothpaste and see if that makes a difference. I don't know. Okay. See what the polishing does. Alright, let's see. So that's just maybe 5 minutes of polishing, and kind of get the idea. I mean, there's definitely a difference. I can probably keep polishing this and get a little bit more. If I were to come to a conclusion, I would say it's sort of a two-parter. You clean it good, maybe run over it a little bit with this just to get it cleaned up, and then hit it with the heat gun until it's shiny and good and smooth and you don't have any streaks in it. Don't touch it. Set it down, let it cool. It'll go back to a matte finish, and then to get your shine back, go over it with this. You probably just do this, but I think this heat gun probably speeds things up a little bit. Maybe with a little patience and carefulness, you probably take out a few of the little micro scratches. There's still plenty here, but I don't want to, overheat it and warp this. but I think that gives you kind of an idea, right? In fact, just as an extra experiment, I'm going to take this other one, and I've already cleaned it, but I haven't polished it or done anything to it. Just got the dirt off of it. So I'm going to try using the heat gun from this point and just see, maybe that actually takes a little bit of work out of things. So try it again. So there's the other one. Now, you can see it definitely makes a difference. It doesn't really get rid of many of the scratches. It probably gets rid of some of the minor stuff. I'll try polishing when it cools down. It is what it is. It's 35-year-old plastic, actually almost 40-year-old plastic, so there you have it. Try a heat gun, maybe it speeds up. It's not the solution for everything. And as a final step, I said screw it, I'm still going to go ahead and try some of the Meguiar's Ultimate Black. Squirt a little on there. And rub it in. And you'll notice I still got a little bit impatient on trying to get rid of these scratches. If you look closely, you can see that the heat gun did warp the plastic a little bit. So just a reminder, be careful. That's all, folks.